welcome. In this series, we're going to be talking about trigonometry, and this is the first video where I'm going to introduce you with trigonometry. Trigonometry is the study of angles and triangles, and this particular field of mathematics is applied many ways in the field of engineering and many other aspects of life. Let's say, for example, you're a pilot. You want to go to a certain destination, you don't know the bearing, or you want to throw an object from a certain height, you need to know the bearing. And even in projectiles, where you're projecting a missile, you need to know the angle. And all this is made possible thanks to trigonometry. And there are three main measurements. There are three main units you should use here. There are three main properties. That is, we have sure that you must be familiar with this particular sine, cosine, and tangent. Oh, sorry, yes, it's supposed to be tangent, not tangent. So we're going to plot the graph. The graph will enable us to see different properties of sine, cosine, and tangent, so that this can enable us to easily solve our respective problems. Okay? Well, let's get started.